Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet cardigan left-handed. So if you want to watch this in the right hand, then that link is down below. So this is for left hand only. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet cardigan. It's one size fits all. However, you can make it bigger if you need it to be bigger. I used a K hook. The pattern is down below. I also used medium worsted yarn. And you are going to make a rectangle. The length is 41 inches, about 41 to 42 inches, and the width is 31 inches. So I did a chain count of 130 and I did 59 rows. The gauge is about 4 stitches is equal to an inch. So when I place this cardigan on me, I'm about a size medium. So if you want to make it bigger, because it is roomy on me, and that's why it feels like it's one size fits all. If you want to make it bigger, you can add more in the length, which is the beginning of the chain. So I have 130 chains. For every inch, you can add 4 more stitches, and it rests right on my hip. So if you want it longer on your hip, you will want to add more chains. And the width, I did 31 inches, which is 59 rows. But most important is the length for how long you would like this. Be sure to check out my playlist for shawls and ponchos down below, and please subscribe for upcoming videos. Okay, so let's get started. I use this Walmart sparkle yarn. It's taupe color, 5 ounces. I use 2.5 skeins of this yarn. I love their sparkle yarn there at Walmart. And I'm going to do a slip knot onto my hook, and with a K hook, I'm going to do 130 chains. And like I said, with the gauge, you may need more chains. The chain is the initial length of this pattern. And loosely make your chains, don't make them too tight. Then in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And I'm going to make a half double crochet in each chain across until I get to the end. If you want a tighter stitch, you can do a single crochet, but you will have to just do more rows. If you want it even looser, you can do double crochet or treble crochet. I thought half double crochet was perfect. It wasn't too tight, but it wasn't too loose. And then at the end, you're going to do your last stitch and then chain 2 and turn. And then in the same stitch, which is the back loop of that chain 2, work a half double crochet in each back loop until you get to the end. And you will repeat this for 59 rows. If you want it a little bit bigger, you can make more rows. This is the width of this rectangle. Basically, this will just be a rectangle, and then you will sew the sides together to create the cardigan. It's a really easy basic pattern. This took me off and on about a day and a half to make. So this is just all repeat. You're going to just chain 2 and turn and work a half double crochet in the back loops until you get to the end for a total of roughly about 59 rows or so. So I took the rectangle, I folded it in half. Now I have the stitches going in a vertical pattern. And the sides here, I'm going to leave the top about 8 inches from the top down to 8 inches there. I'm going to leave it open, and then I will sew the sides together on both sides. The openings will be for the arms. Okay, so this is what it looks like finished, and you're just going to place your arms through the holes. It will cuff in the front for the collar. It looks really cute when it's on. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.